Hello everyone, welcome to Codersarts. In this video, I am going to provide you a quick overview of the Streamlit course series. Basically, Streamlit is an open source Python library that make it easy to create interactive web application without any prior web development experience. So that's why it's an excellent choice for data scientists, machine learning engineers, and developers. Throughout this series, we will guide you through everything about Streamlit from basic to advanced level. In the upcoming videos, we will start with the basic introduction, then I will show you how to set up your development environment and then guide you through creating the very first Streamlit application. We will also explore interactive widgets, delve into data visualization and teach you how to create dynamic dashboard. After that, we will show you how to integrate Streamlit with machine learning and customize your application to make them unique. So I will cover all these topics to provide you with a comprehensive understanding of Streamlit, and it will help you better utilize this powerful tool for your projects and application. No matter if you are a data scientist or a developer, this series will empower you to effortlessly create interactive web applications. So stay tuned. Our journey begins in the next video with the introduction to Streamlit. Thanks for joining us. See you in the next video.